Good morning, my little learners. Today in our maths class we will see the multiplication. Multiplying by tens and hundreds. What are the tens and what are the hundreds? Tens means the numbers which are the multiple of 10 means it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. And what are the hundreds? Hundreds are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and so on, means multiples of hundreds. Okay. So first let's see the multiplication by tens. Here in first example, what I did, 5 multiplied by 10. Okay. So it is very easy. You already know that 5 tens are 50. In the other way we can do this by putting the 0 at one's place and 5 ones are 5 only. For that, first let's fix the place values first. Here I will write the ones, tens digits, hundreds and here thousands. I will write these 4 place values. I make a columns for the place values of my answers. Okay, 5 multiplied by 10. So this 0 I can write at one's place first and then 5 ones are 5 I can write like this. Okay, in tens place, because we start to write the answers from the ones place only. Now 7 multiplied by 10. How you can write this? Yes, in the similar way, this 0 just put at the ones place and 7 ones are 7 at tens place, means 70 will my answer. Yes, these 200s and 1000 position will remain empty. No need to write any number. 0 you can write, but no matter whether you write that 0 here or not, means 0, 70 and the 70. The value is 70 only. Now 12 multiplied by 10. Now in this example 1 0 is there. So you can write this 0 here at one's place and 12 ones are 12 again. But 12 you can't write in the one box. For this you have to make different boxes, means at tens position and one will be at 100 position. Like this 12 I have to write, means my answer will be 120 and this 1000 position will remain empty. Now 30 multiplied by 20. Now here if you observe, in both numbers there is a 0, means 30 and the 20 both are the multiples of tens. So these two zeros you can write, one at one's place and other in tens place, like this. Now do the multiplication of numbers simply. 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 you can write here. Yes. Now 19 multiplied by 10, in this only one 0 is there, one tens is there. So write this 0 at one's place and 19 ones are 19. Again you have to write this 19, two numbers in two different boxes, means 19 tens are 190. See, the place value of this one is 100. Okay. Now here 3 digit multiplication by tens, means 687 multiplied by 10. So in this 0 put the 0 here and 687 ones are 687. Hai na? So write this 7, 3 digits in the 3 different positions, means the answer will be 6870. Our last example, 300 multiplied by 10. How you can write this? Yes, if you observe this, 300 is the multiple of hundreds, means 100 multiplied by 3, I'll get the 300 and multiplied by 10 means tens. This is the multiplication of hundreds with tens. Both category numbers are present in this example. So count the zeros what are available. That zeros should be not in between the numbers, means at ones, tens, serially it should be. Okay. So count this 0, 1, 2 and 3. Write this 3 0 in a 3 different positions and do 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. So your answer will be 3000. 3000. I hope you understood this multiplication. Now let's move on the second slide. Yes, here I wrote some examples of 2-digit multiply with the 2-digit. Now hundreds, tens and ones, 3 position numbers are here. Here one in first example 13 multiplied by 20 is there. 20 is multiple of 10. So write this 0. Apply the same rule at ones place, and now 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, or 13 2s are 26. Directly you can write. Okay, so your answer will be 260. Now in the second example 44 multiplied by 10. 44 multiplied by 10. Write this 0 because 1 0 is there in both numbers at the ones place. So write this 0 here, and 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. Like this you can do the multiplication, or 44 multiplied by 1, 44. So 440 will be your answer. In the third example, see in both numbers 0 is present here. So write these 2 zeros first. Okay. And do the multiplication. 1 5s are 5, or 5 1s are 5. So your answer is 500. Okay. On the next slide, here ones, tens, hundred and thousand positions are here. So 10 multiplied by 36 we have to do. So write this 0 at ones place, and 36 ones are 36. Direct answer you can write like this. Now here 5 multiplied by 90 is there. 90 is the multiple of 10. 10 9s are 90. So write this 0 at ones place, and 5 9s are 45. So your answer will be 450. This way you have to write this answer. Now if you observe the third example, 8 multiplied by 900. How much? 800 and 900 it is. So in 900, 900 is a multiple of 100. In 900 2 zeros are there. 100 9s are 900. So this way we can do this multiplication also. So write this 0, 2 zeros at ones and tens position, and do the multiplication. 8 9s are 72. So 7200 will be your answer. In the next example, 67 multiplied by 100. Okay, 67 multiplied by 100. Write these 2 zeros at ones and tens position, and 67 ones are 67. You have to write like this. Your answer will be 6700. Now 26 multiplied by 20. How you can do this? This 0 you can write at ones place, and 26 2s are 52. So 520 will be your answer. Okay. 103 multiplied by 50, and this 0 is at ones place, means this 50 is the multiple of 10, but this 0 we can't consider to write at the tens position because it is in between the two numbers. This is not the multiple of 100. Okay, only 100, 200, 300 numbers we can consider. So write this 10 only at ones place, and do multiplication. 103 multiplied by 5. Okay, means 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 0 0, 5 multiplied by 0 0, and plus 1 1, and 5 1s are 5. So this way my answer will be 5150. Now 63 multiplied by 100 means these 2 zeros you can write at ones and tens position, and 63 ones are 63. You can write like this. Yes, very good. This 100 multiplied by 83, the same operation, same way operation you can do this. 2 zeros you can write at ones and tens position, then 83 ones are, or 1 multiplied by 83 equals to 83. 607 multiplied by 10. This 0 you can write at ones place, and 607 multiplied by 1, 607 as it is, means your answer will be 6070. I hope you understood this kind of multiplication. So do more practices of this, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.